Hello students, we are on exercise 1.5. We are on question number 3rd. Third statement is, recall pi is defined as a ratio of circumference of a circle to its diameter, means pi equal to c over d. This seems to contradict the fact that pi is irrational. How will you resolve this contradiction? Now how we will do this sum? Given is pi equal to c over d, which is of the form p over q form. But we know that pi is irrational. This implies either C or D or both C and D are irrational. Therefore, this implies that there is no contradiction. This implies pi is irrational. Then question number 4 is, represent under root 9.3 on number line. We have to represent under root 9.3 on the number line. How we will do this one? First of all, we will take AB equal to 9.3 distance. This distance AB equal to 9.3. Here is not written any centimeter, meter. Therefore, we will simply take AB equal to 9.3 distance. And then we will take 1 unit more distance. BC equal to 1 unit more. Means this total distance is 9.3 plus 1 equal to 10.3. Then we will draw perpendicular bisector of AB. How we will draw? We will take a compass and pencil and will take a measure more than half of its half, AB's half. Then we will draw here an arc with the help of compass and one here by putting one corner of the compass here. Then with the help of pencil we will draw one arc here. Similarly, we will draw here downside. Then with the help of scale we will combine these 2 points. Then we will take this distance with the help of compass and will draw a semicircle. Then we will draw an angle of 90 degree on point B. You can use protractor or compass. Then we will take this distance BF. Then we will take this distance BF with the help of compass and will draw it up to the point D. Means from F to D we will draw. Then we will measure this distance and this distance. Both will be same because it's our required answer, because BD equal to under root 9.3. BF equal to under root 9.3, and that's we have drawn on the number line. Means BD equal to 9 under root 9.3. Therefore, we have represented BD equal to under root 9.3 on the number line. This is our required answer. Thank you.